that pizza. I freaking... You guys know how much I love summertime, but summertime in a beautiful state like this, in the green trees, in the mountains, it's like a slow, quiet, blissful summer. I feel like blissful summer is my theme for the summer because it's just been so perfect and I just feel so happy to be here.
Hello everybody! Today I thought that we're gonna go to Tybee and you're gonna spend it with me. I've had a pretty slow morning. I had breakfast, I worked out, I've been editing, but now I thought, I need to soak up the last bit of summer. So I'm just gonna go and spend the day on Tybee by myself. I've got my book, I've got my journal, and we're gonna have a good time. But first things first, I'm gonna go to my favorite little coffee shop on Tybee and we're gonna get a coffee and maybe a muffin because they have really good muffins, but I don't know.
I missed it all, but you lied. You made it slow.
Guys, I could cry. They closed the coffee shop. It's currently 1:15. They closed at 1. I thought they closed at 3. I'm so upset. I was so excited. And this is like not a good road. Potholes are everywhere. You're going crazy. I'm sorry. But yeah, anyways, I don't know if I'm just gonna go straight to the beach or if I'll go somewhere else for coffee. I don't know. So I came down to like the very end of the beach to try and like give myself a little bit more privacy. I've got my Kindle. I'm reading The Goldfinch. I love it so much, actually. Like 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm obsessed with it, so that's what I'm gonna do for a while. Finished up at the beach and I had a little bit left on my parking, so I went and I got a smoothie since I didn't get a coffee earlier. It's pretty good. Tastes like a smoothie. It's a blueberry, strawberry, banana. Pretty basic. But I had a good time at the beach. I probably got burned. My legs were like low-key, like, I don't know, let's go. They're stinging. But that's okay. So I'm really tired now. The sun like wears me out, so just gonna drive home and see what I can get into for the rest of the evening. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I've kind of just been hanging around, trying to chill and relax the rest of today. But I'm just going to sit here, got my Kindle, I'm going to read some. And yeah, thanks for spending the day with me. Tried to soak up the last little bit of summer. I got a little bit of a sunburn, but not as bad as I thought I would. So that's good. But yeah, make sure to keep your eyes open because moving and packing videos, New York City videos, they're coming soon. So make sure to keep your eyes peeled. But for now, I will see you next time.